Hello and welcome to my first ever flight of my Mavic Air drone. I've literally just purchased it like a couple of days ago. Read up as much information as I can because it's not a toy. I don't want to just open the box and just start flying it and then lose the bloody thing. So I've done my homework and this is going to be my first flight. I've come to my nearest park, tried to get as much open space as possible because I'm so dreading that I'm going to hit a tree or something. But there's a lot of sensors on it, so hopefully that shouldn't happen. I'm going to literally put it on my little my homemade taken off pad. I've got a bag over there, so I don't want to get it muddy. Please let it go all right. I'm excited but really scared at the same time. Okay, I've turned it on, but I've just got to do a compass calibration. Success! I said to myself, before you turn it on, take the bloody gimbal cover off. And what did I do? I left it on. Oh, okay, it's not scratched. I think it's all right. But hello, little friend. Woohoo! Okay, right. Let's go. Probably help if I took down the antennas and the. For crying out loud, what is wrong with me? I'm scared. All right. Come on, baby. Green light. I've got 12 satellites, so it knows where to get back home. Right. Let's see how this goes. It works! This is to go up and down. Let's go up, down, and this rotates it left and right. All working good so far. But that's just sensing that it can detect that I'm behind it. So if I go a bit more forwards by pushing this right stick, that should go forward. There you go, the bleeping stops now. I'm guessing the left and right is to move it left and right. Okay, nice. It's on beginner mode, it's on child friendly mode. I mean, I don't want it to go in sport mode where it literally all hell breaks loose and it will go crazy. Can you see this on the, let's see if you can see this on the app. I'm gonna go up and let's see what it can see in the air. This is so cool. Right, where is it? There he is. Let me get a little zoom in on that. So if I pull backwards, go down, there he goes. I can hear loads of birds in the background. I don't know if they can hear this or something. Let's try and come back to us. Oh, no, go down. It's going very slow, but this is obviously because it's on beginner mode. I don't want to go crazy until I get to learn the grips of using the control. Hello, mate. Should start beeping. There we go. Yeah. Hey. It's my first time, it works! Okay, shh. No, go back. Back, there you go. It works! It works! Right, okay, let's try and land it now. Backwards. Oh, it's blowing up my mat! It's like my landing pad. That easy. Wow, if I can do this, then anyone can do this. That is amazing. Oh, thank you, Lord. Thank you. It works. It works. Damn it, can the camera even see me? There you go, it's better. So it works and I didn't crash it. Oh, I feel so relieved. That was so cool. And I'd like to know what, obviously I saw the footage going back on my phone, but I'd like to see what it looks like when I put it back on my computer later on. I'm only recording it in 1080p. I don't want to do 4K, and because I don't have an SD card yet. I'm just using the internal storage on the actual drone itself, which is about 8 gigabytes. Right, let's see where else we can go now. Oh, actually, let's try the. You can do the gesture controls, so you don't even have to use control. You can actually just move your hands around, and you can take pictures by going like that, and also doing recording by doing a little box and you can move it around and up and down. Yeah, let's try that. Let me just remember how to use that again. Right, let's try the gesture control. I believe you, I hit the bottom of this. I push that. Do I go like this? Maybe I've got to hold it down. Come on. Maybe this isn't what you do. There's something I'm not doing. Ah, maybe it's double tap it. Here we go. Oh, how cool! Right, so if I lift it upwards, it should go up. Here we go. There we go. Right, move it around to the side. Stop. Move it up. Move it down. It's like I have Jedi powers, and it should follow me. Come around here. Come over here, man. Hands free. If I want it to go away from me, I think I put out 2 hands. Let's take a picture. Just like that. When we do recording, we need to do the box feature. There you go, it should be on now. I'm going to do a little dance. It should be on. There's no one around watching me doing this. Okay, right. Okay. Should be on, and then when I want to stop recording, I just do a box again. And now the green light's back on, and I think that means that the recording has stopped. To do another picture with you guys. Okay, you ready, guys? Picture. And that's that. Right, let's land it. Come on, land. Land. That's how we do it. So this has been my little preview of my first flight, flying the DJI Mavic Air drone. I'm so happy that it went well. I didn't crash. After I switched the camera off and I actually took it off beginner mode and I flew it a little bit more further. But again, I didn't want to go too far. I wanted to keep it in like eye distance area. But I got it quite high up, so I'm quite pleased. I would carry on, but my hands are very cold, so it's a bit hard to hold the controller, so I might just call it a day. I only wanted to just come out on a quick while I'm ahead and not do any more serious things, potentially. I mean, I'm sure it'd be fine, but I'm just, you know, precautious and rambling on as well. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might like, well, potentially I want to record like lots of different things and show you guys. When I say guy, I don't know what I'm going to do with this footage, if I'm going to put it on YouTube or if this is just going to be for me. So I'm potentially just talking to myself right now. I want to get lots of footage of different places, like really cool, interesting areas where people might not go, just to experiment and have this as like a little hobby. But I love it. I absolutely love it. I've wanted one for about a year or 2 now, and they've all been really expensive, searching online for different prices. I managed to get this reasonably cheap and I'm in love with it. It's great. I actually want to fly again, but when it's a bit more warmer, really. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully you've enjoyed this brief little, whatever you want to call it, preview, run around thing, whatever. Anyway, thanks for watching, and yeah, see you soon. Bye.